To create a strategy on HokoCloud, you must have a trade account already entered and validated on your portal. You can do this in My Accounts under the Add Trading Account button. If it is already validated, click on the wheel in the right corner of the trade account and choose the option Create Strategy. Define the name of the strategy and decide if you want it to be public so that all HokoCloud users can follow it, or private so that only you have access. In the public strategy, you can specify the price or performance charge you want to apply to your followers, the minimum required balance suggested to follow your strategy, your unique strategy link that you can later share with your connections and social media channels, and finally, an explanatory text about your trading strategy. When creating your strategy, a unique link is automatically generated for you to share with your community. When you open the strategy link, you have access to your strategy's historical results and statistics. Your followers can register or log in to follow your trading strategy directly through your unique link page.